little thing that makes a big difference. A positive mind finds opportunity in every difficulty. The world looks brighter when you choose to see it with positivity. With a positive attitude, everything becomes a new beginning. Positive attitude is the key that unlocks success. Positive attitude brings peace to the mind and strength to the heart. Daily lives. And do you know about Thomas Edison, the inventor of light bulb? Thomas Edison, what about him? Yes, didn't you feel hopeless? Not at all. I didn't fail 1,000 times. I only found 1,000 ways that don't work. Each mistake brought me closer to success. And finally, a positive attitude. Failures are not them. They are the steps to success. Will come. Failure will never overtake me if my determination to succeed is strong enough. He meant that a positive attitude makes us see